You be renting?
Yeah, don't know what to rent.
Sanchez, always Sanchez, even though they're illegal.
Taco truck. Can I rent a golf cart? That'd be so cute.
Also here, take this. There you go.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Because drugs can kill. And if you do drugs, you go to hell before you die. Please.
I just want something cheap. What is an Enos? Do you think an Enos is okay? The taco truck... No, the taco truck's only 800. Should we get the taco truck? Fuck it, let's get the taco truck. Fuck it. You wanna pop my taco? Let's go.
Yeah, that really pops my taco.
Oh yeah. That's not bad. I mean, slow is good. I'm still learning to drive, remember? You wanna pop my taco?